Hey everybody, it's Tweets here. And time for part 4 of the mod tutorials. And today I'm going to teach you how to make custom flags, which also can be custom armbands. So this should be fun and interesting. So what you're going to want to do first is obviously you're going to bring up your DayZ tools as always. Make sure your P drive is mounted. So tools, make sure it's mounted. Mine is. If it isn't, just click mount. Once it's mounted, you're going to go to your P drive and you're going to just create a new folder. Call this custom flags or fashion flags or whatever you want. Inside there, you're going to create a new folder. Call it data. Same as before. Once you have all that, you're going to go back to the P drive, go to DZ, you're going to go to gear, and in here, you're going to go to crafting. I'm pretty sure it's in there. No, it's not in crafting. So you're just going to look around. Here it is. It's in flag. So camping. So what you're going to do here first, we'll start with the texture. So you're going to go to data. Once you go, so you're going to go to DZ, gear, camping, data. You're going to look for the flag, any of them. Here we go. Flag alti, we'll just take that. If you have GIMP and the PAA plugin, then you just gotta double click. It is in a previous video. I have all that linked into that video. So just watch my videos and you'll find it. So now that we have the flag here, what we're gonna do is it doesn't matter what color, I'm just gonna cover this up completely. You don't have to really, unless you are using like a transparent picture or something. And then from there, you're gonna open your new, whatever picture you want on it. So I put mine on the desktop because I'm just gonna go with this here. So you're gonna want to make sure it is the same size. So first you go to your flag, and then you're gonna go to image, scale image, and just get the parameters. So the width and the height is 512 width, 256 height. So that's what you're gonna do with this. Scale image. You want to make this 72. Same with that, but you don't want to have that in inches. And just like that. And then we're gonna go 512. Untick that so it's not linked. Scale. Alright. Once you have it to the proper lengths, then you will just drag it over. And then boom. That's it. And then you just save this as, well, actually, you export it as on GIMP. You're going to go to your P drive, custom flags, data, and then you just name it flag underscore, I'm going to call this one tweets underscore co.paa. Hit enter. Boom. Done. Texture is made. So that's that. Now, you're going to go back to DZ gear camping, and then you're going to go for their config file. And we're going to look for flag. So search flag. Spell it right first. And then underscore. So that way you can get through all the other crap. And then you're going to choose flag base. And then you're just going to scroll down until you see all these different ones. It doesn't matter which one we're using. You're going to copy all this right here. Create a new text file, paste it, and then you're going to scroll all the way to the top. You're going to copy line 19 under CF vehicles, go all the way to the top, copy that, go to line 1, hit enter, go back up to line 1, paste it so it looks just like that. Then you're going to hit enter because you're going to want to have another class above it, and you're going to give this flag base with a semicolon. And now, since we're making a custom one, I'm calling this flag tweets. And then here, where it says color, you want it same as that. So you're going to want it to be the same name as whatever is after flag underscore. So make sure it matches. And then from there, you're going to get the path to your flag texture. So you're going to highlight and copy everything after the P. Do not get the P. And then you're going to replace it with theirs. Data all the way back. Paste. And now you get your texture name. Paste. So there's the flag. I'm going to add one more bracket. Not that type of bracket. And then a semicolon. Okay. Now you see the two under units. You can delete one, get rid of that comma, copy your class name, highlight that one, and just replace it. Excuse me. All right, so now that's the flag. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to go to armbands. So you're going to want to make an armband. So we're going to go to DZ. We're going to go to characters. We're going to go to tops. We're going to go to config. And now we're going to go search for armband. Now you just keep scrolling down until you find it. You're going to want to see how these ones have like the flag names, armband generis. You're going to want these ones right here. You're not going to want any of these ones up top. You're going to want to go with the ones that have the actual flag names. I would always just go with the generis one. So you're just going to copy all of that, bring it over to your config you're working on. And then you're going to, in between these two last brackets, paste that. And you're going to just do the same thing you do with the flag, add another class. Take this armband color base, add that bracket, and then you're going to use the same name. So I got tweets. You're going to replace generis with the same, whatever you call it. Same with this here. And then you're going to give it all of these, every one of them, the same path to your flag texture that you created. So here, let me get rid of this. So you can just take the first one, get it all selected just like that. If you're using Visual Studio Plus, you just go to Replace, under Edit, paste your new path, and just keep hitting Enter. And then boom. I think you can do something similar on Notepad++ as well. So then once you get that done, you're going to take your armband class name, copy it, and bring it all the way up to units. Put a comma after your flag, hit enter, quotation, paste. There you go. And that's it. Then you save it. And then we're going to put it under our custom flags. Config.cpp. Save. Now that that's all done, we can exit out of all that. Bring up our materials tools. If you don't have them, go back in previous videos. I show how to get them, and there's links in the descriptions for all that. So you're going to select your mod folder, go to your P drive, custom flags, just click on it once, hit select folder. I always have them go to the desktop, hit crunch. Once you hear that sign, you know everything's right. So then excuse me. And then I hit Steam, go to the library, browse local files, go to add-ons. You're going to take that custom flag, PBO, and you're going to bring in your add-ons to test it. And then missions, generis, community offline mode. I also have a link for the community offline mode in a previous video as well. So you can get that all set up. Okay. Alright, so now we're in. So now you're going to bring up your tools. You're going to click the OB. And you're going to look for your flag. Just whatever you named it. So tweets. And you obviously add the 0 to state. Spawn in your flag. As you can see, it is now textured. We have a custom flag now. So now what you can do is also spawn in a knife or a machete or whatever, any type of blade. And then you can combine it. Craft armband. This should give you about 3 armbands. Boom. And then now you got a custom armband as well. So you got a custom flag and a custom armband. Not too shabby. It's not too hard. I have been pretty sick the last few days, and I haven't been feeling too well. So, if I didn't explain it too clearly, just keep watching rewatch the video a few times, follow all my steps step by step, and you should have no problem. I will be linking a raw file of the one that I just made, so you can work off of and have something to just compare to. And if you have any questions, you can join my Discord, which link will be in the description as well. And that's it. Good luck, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out, guys.